Hey, this is Tyler with Stud Welding Products. Today we're going to be going over the HBS Arc 800 Stud Welder. We're going to be going over hooking it up to power, hooking the gun and the ground up, turning the machine on, setting our weld time, setting the gun up, as well as shooting a couple studs. The Arc 800 runs off of 230 or 463 phase. The yellow and green wire is always going to be your ground wire. The other three wires are going to be your hot, doesn't matter orientation. We also include a set of taps or jumpers to switch between 230 or 460. In order to switch the jumpers, you want to remove 10 screws on the side of the machine. We're going to remove the lid. Be careful, there is a connector. And your jumpers and taps are going to be installed on this side of the machine. And there's a chart on the other side of the machine, as well as underneath the lid. Okay, so let's hook up our gun, our ground, turn on the machine, and adjust our weld time. First things, we're going to take our weld cable. Note that it is keyed. Line up the keys, turn to tighten. Our control cable is also keyed. Line up the keys and rotate to tighten. The ground cable is keyed. Line up the keys, turn to tighten. Turn on the machine, rotate the switch, and then we can adjust our weld time up or down. Some indicator lights over here. Refer to the manual for more information. Okay, so let's set up our gun. First things, we're going to take our stud, load it in our chuck, make sure it hits the stop. We're going to take our ferrule and load it onto the grip. On this particular size, we want an 1/8 of an inch stick out. Please note, stick out may vary depending on the stud diameter. Now that we have our 1/8 of an inch stick out, we're good to go. Okay, so let's hook up our grounds. We got one ground over here. We're going to ground to the opposite side. We have our stud already loaded. Make sure we're shooting to clean material, no rust and no paint. Push down. Once we feel we're square, we can pull the trigger, give it a second, and you come straight up off of it. Check our weld.